Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to show you how to make these super easy bow cupcake toppers. Okay, so to begin with, my bow is made with the modelling paste, which I've coloured pink using Colour Mill's Candy Food Colour. And you can see here I've made a template so all my bows are the same size. And this is just a bit of card, which is 12 centimetres by 2.5 centimetres, and I've made it food safe by covering it with some tin foil. So I rolled out my modelling paste to about 2 to 3 millimetres thick as I wanted a chunky bow. And you can see here I'm just using my template to cut out my bow. If you find this tutorial useful, please do give it a thumbs up and subscribe for future tutorials. And now I'm just going to use my ruler just to mark the middle of the bow very gently. Apply a little bit of clear alcohol, or you could use an edible glue. Because what I'm going to do is just going to fold up the ends there to create the bow shape. And then the other one. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pick that up and I'm going to fold the middle, and we're going to get the little crease there. So I'm going to fold into the middle, and you can see that's folding in the middle there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press down the very ends. So we've got a fold in the middle, but the ends are pressed down, and then just gently push inwards. Okay. So now I'm just going to make the little bit that goes in the centre there. So I've just rolled out some of my modelling paste, and I'm just going to cut out a section to go in the middle there. It's about just under 1 centimetre in width. So just to make it a little bit more ribbon-like, I'm just using my Dresden tool just to curl the side up there, and you can see I've just done the other side. That gives it more of like a ribbon effect. So I'm just flattening the top there because that will go at the back, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of my edible glue and then just pop that on the back there. You might need to squidge that middle together again if that's come away. Okay, and then again a little bit of glue all the way around, and then we're just going to pop that around, and you can see the curled edges have just made it a little bit more ribbon like. So I'm just going to trim that with my scissors, add a little bit more glue, and then just gently tease that around, and there we go. Okay. So I'm just making a little bit of a crease in the middle there with my Dresden tool and my ball tool. Okay. And now we're going to make the tail. So again, I've just rolled out my modelling paste, and I'm just going to cut them into 2 little strips so you can make them as thick as you want. And then all I'm going to do is I'm just going to pinch the top together, again to get that ribbon effect. And then you just want to flatten the top part, which will go underneath the bow, a little bit of glue, and then you can just stick that into position. And you can see I'm just pushing the sides there, and that gives a little bit more of a curved effect for the bow. And then I thought I would just cut out a little triangle at the bottom. You could also cut it so it's kind of slanted if you wanted to. And then all I did was put this on a foam mat to dry overnight before placing it onto my cupcake. I'm just smoothing it off with a dry brush. You can play with the tassels if you want, so they've got a little bit of movement. There you can see they're on top of the cupcake. Okay, so that's your tutorial finished. Please do check out my other ones. Please comment, like and subscribe for more, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.